Welcome to Celcon. I get it, you might be asking, what is Celcon? And I'll tell you. Celcon was a company founded back in 1983 that started as a company that made battery packs and power systems. Now they do so much more than just that. Over the past 40 years, they have expanded to a much bigger warehouse.
I would say the most important job here is the assemblers that make the battery pack, because they're in control of the product that we send out. So you can have the best managers in place, or the best salesmen in place, or a few resources person in place, and it doesn't really matter unless you have.
Celcon is a company that you probably didn't know existed before this. They make custom lithium battery packs for whoever is buying from them. They are also getting into making batteries for robots that the Army uses. Some of these battery packs are powerful enough to charge forklifts, and take 2 to 4 hours to charge the packs too. We got a whole lot of information from Celcon. The steps to make the batteries we see all the time takes a while. What we call batteries are actually called cells, to make all the big batteries like this. First, it all starts with a singular cell that they glue together with a few other cells to make a battery. You have to make sure that they are all lined before you glue them together, or it could cause the whole battery not to work for the project that they are making it for. After you glue the cells together, they apply a thin sheet of metal over some parts of the battery to help from short-circuiting, overheating, and electric conductivity. When they finish with the hole applying the metal on the battery, they prep it. It matters if they're going to be put into hard plastic covers, or if they are getting the soft cover to go into something else. One of the more interesting parts about Celcon is that you don't need a degree to work there. Most of the information you get is on-the-job training. You can always go to college for it if you wanted to, though. There are multiple different jobs you could do in Celcon. You could be constructing the batteries, or you could be in the loading dock and making sure you have all the materials you need before starting the projects, or so many other jobs. If you're looking for a job outside of high school, then definitely look into manufacturing jobs. I know Celcon would be one of the places I would be interested in working for.